Samsung and AMD have collaborated to integrate RDNA-based GPUs into mobile processors since the Exynos 2200. The most recent Exynos 2400 also features an RDNA GPU, and the partnership has extended into the mid-range segment with the Exynos 1480. However, reports from reliable industry insiders Roland Quant and at ORXDA hint at a potential change for the Exynos 2600. Both sources suggest that Samsung might be moving away from AMD for graphics in its 2026 flagship chip. Instead, the South Korean company is considering developing its own GPU architecture for the Exynos 2600. Specifics about the Exynos 2600 and Samsung's plans for its in-house GPU are scarce. Nevertheless, there's speculation that Samsung could use RDNA as a basis for its own GPU, akin to how Qualcomm's Adreno GPUs are derived from AMD's Radeon line. Despite this potential shift, Samsung's 2025 flagships, the Galaxy S25 series, will continue to use the Exynos chipset, notably the Exynos 2500 S5e 9955, featuring an AMD GPU. Additionally, some markets will see the lineup equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip for Galaxy. The Galaxy S26 series and Exynos 2600 are slated for a 2026 launch, allowing ample time for plans to evolve. However, if the leak holds, it could indicate Samsung's inclination toward greater self-sufficiency in the future of Exynos SoCs. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.